Good morning, everyone. My name is Katie Ross, and today I want to talk to you about fast fashion. It is a big problem that affects many areas of my and others' lives. For example, here in the UK, fast fashion is a cheap, trendy clothing that is made quick in large amounts. While it may seem stylish, it is because of the serious harm to both the planet and the people who produce the fast fashion clothes. Today I want to explain what fast fashion and how it impacts British consumers and what we can do to make a difference and change the issue. What is fast fashion? Fast fashion is the process where clothing companies very quick produce large quantities of clothes brands on the latest trends and sell them to a very low and fair price. The clothes looks great at first, but they are not built good. People buy them or wear them a few times and then throw them away, or they don't use them again. Companies like Shein and Temu are well known for this. They offer cheap and fashion clothing, but the way these clothes are made is damaging to the environment. To produce the clothing, a lot of water, energy, and harmful chemicals are used to make the product. This results in massive amount of waste. In fact, the fashion industry is one of the top polluters in the world today. On top, the many of the clothes are made in factories, where workers are paid very low and often face poor working conditions. When we enjoy the low prices, the true cost is paid by the environment and the people that are making the clothes. British consumers and fast fashion. Now let's talk about how fast fashion affects people in the UK. Many British consumers buy fast fashion because it's cheap and easily available, even though most people know that fast fashion is harmful to the planet. They still continue to buy clothes. A study found out that nearly half of UK shoppers don't think about the environment when they're buying clothes. This shows that while people understand the issue, the appeal of low prices and looking trendy often wins. Young people, especially Generation Z, are the biggest group of fast fashion shoppers. They want to look good and often feel pressure from social media to stay up to date with the latest styles. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok constantly show new outfits and trends, making young people feel like they always need something new. The problem is, even though many of these young people care about the environment, they still support fast fashion because it seems as affordable and fashionable. This creates a big conflict. They want to protect the planet, but their buying habits are doing the opposite. How can we change this? So how can we change this situation? When people learn about the environment and social harm caused by the fast fashion, they may start to think twice before buying the product. For example, research has shown that when young people found out how damaging brands like Shein are, many of them felt misunderstood and stopped buying from these companies. This shows how powerful the information can be sometimes. Another important change we can make is to focus on buying clothes that last longer. Instead of buying cheap items that fall apart after you use it a few times, we should invest in better quality clothes that we can wear for years. Buying second-hand clothes is another great option. We can do it much better to environment and it's becoming more popular. We still need to get more people to make second-hand shopping a normal part of their lives. In conclusion, fast fashion is a very big issue, but one we can all help solve by learning about the damage it causes, making better shopping choices, and rethinking how we can approach the fashion. We can break the meaning of fast fashion. It's up to each others to make the clever choices and to get others to do the same.